Once we have our slip knot on our hook, we need to go over a few other things. First, how do we hold this hook? You can hold the hook like a knife, like this, or like a pencil, like this. Now I said either or, but technically you can hold the hook any way that feels comfortable to you. These are the two most common ways, like a pencil or like a knife. Like a knife is how you're going to see me holding my hook because that is my preference. Also, not mentioned before, there's lots of different hook types out there. So you can use any hook that you feel comfortable with. You're going to find hooks that are made of metal, resin, plastic, wood, bamboo. You're going to see some with ergonomic handles, so they have a nice big handle for you to hang on to, and then different tips. Again, use what's comfortable to you. Try a few out, hang on to them in the store, and just choose what feels comfortable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and leave us a comment.